In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete items on monday.com. We'll go from opening your account to removing the exact items you no longer need while keeping everything else safe. First, go to monday.com and sign into your account. Use your usual login method and make sure you're in the correct workspace so you're looking at the right boards. If you're part of multiple teams, glance at the workspace name at the top to confirm you're in the right place before making changes. Next, look to the left sidebar where your boards are listed. Find the board that contains the items you want to remove and click it to open. Give the board a moment to load, and if needed, switch to the main table view so you can clearly see all the items and their details. It helps to scan the item names and groups to ensure you're working in the right section. Now select the items you want to delete. Click once on an item to highlight it. To select several at once, hold Shift and click to select a continuous range, or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to add individual items one by one. Take a second to verify what's highlighted. Only the selected items will be affected, so this is a good moment to double check that nothing important is included by mistake. With your items selected, open the context menu by right-clicking on one of the highlighted rows. This menu gives you quick actions for the selected items. If the menu doesn't appear, make sure you're right-clicking on the item area and that the items are still selected. From the context menu, click Delete. This action removes the selected items from the board. Depending on your account settings and permissions, deletion may be limited or may be reversible for a period of time. If you don't see the delete option, you might not have permission to delete items on that board, so check with your admin before proceeding. That's it. You signed in, opened the correct board, selected the items, right-clicked to open the menu, and chose Delete. Always review your selections carefully, especially if items are connected to automations, dashboards, or dependencies, since removing them can impact other workflows. When you're confident, follow these steps and keep your boards clean and organized. If you're working with a team, it's a good habit to communicate deletions so everyone stays aligned.